Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Priya and today I am going to take you through my Ikea vlog. So as you all know, I have purchased a new house and I need some new stuff to decorate it. I don't want to buy it online. I just want to check it in person how it looks. We might visit somewhere else as well because we are going to reach ahead of the open time. And yeah, I'm going to take you all through. Also, if I buy a lot of stuff, I'm going to do a haul as well. So stay tuned. I am all ready. I'm just waiting for other people to get ready and then we might just go. I'm so excited. So excited because I can't wait to decorate. So everything right now is so empty. I just want to put some good pictures, some good stuff, cute stuff, and let's see. So now, I guess everyone is ready, so let's go. Also, I'm not an early morning person, but I'm still excited and I'm not at all sleepy.